A for
Apple.
B for
Bear.
very good. C for
Ten.
D for
Dog.
E for
Elephant.
F for
Fish.
G for
Yes.
H for
Coco.
what is the name of cock? Maming kay ba?
Hen.
Very good. Lagi I for
Again.
J for oh you know J for
Dog.
okay. K for
Chatty.
L for
Chatty.
you know L for
Lion.
M for
Monkey.
N for
Hen.
nay.
Name.
O for
Lion.
lagi P for
Period.
very good Dunu. Q for Dunu Q for
Green.
very nice. R for
Baby.
rabbit. Lagi S for do you know what S for? Look at here. S for
Conga. Chip.
sheep. Very good to know. T for
Lion.
T for
Tiger.
tiger. U for
Bear.
umbrella. V for
Ben.
van. W for
Watermelon.
very nice. X for
Ting, ting.
yes, ting ting ting. What is the name of ting ting ting? Xylophone.
Ting,
How do you know? Xylophone.
ting, ting.
What is the name of this? Xylophone. Say xylophone. Xylophone. Very good. Y for do you know? Y for yak.
Yeah.
I'm gonna Y for
Yeah.
jet for
Giraffe.
Shri, thank you.
Thank you.